Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put the mathematical expression on your WordPress website. So here is an example. So let me show you how to do this. First, go to the plugin. Let's add a new plugin. And in the search box, we're gonna type KA tags. So make sure you choose the WP KA tags. We're gonna use this plugin. Okay, once we install this plugin, we can use it. So open your post, and here is its usage. You can see we have two labels. The first label is called LATX. The last label is / with LATX, which means this is the start label and this is the end label. Between these labels is the expression. So how do we know the expression? Okay, we're gonna use the second software. Here I use the DOM equation editor. So let's take N2 for example. We can choose this one and this. You can see, and we type N, and here we type 2. You can see that it will automatically generate the text expression. This expression is exactly the expression here. So we can, copy and paste it, put here, okay, and then we can preview. You can see that the result will be like this. One last thing is about the equation editor. So the DOM equation editor is a Chrome plugin. We can search this plugin using the Google search, and we choose this one. You can see that it's a Google Chrome plugin, and we click it. In the open page, there should have a button which is called install. And since I have already installed it, so I don't need to reinstall it again. Okay, once we install it, we can click the apps here, and we can see that the equation editor is here. Just click it, and this web page will show, and you can write your expression here. Okay, that's all. And if you think this video really helps you, please subscribe. Thank you.